asking your viewers. They might have some better suggestions.
I'm a little scared too.
The real Vedal would have an entire toolbox in his room, at the very least.
I have a toolbox, but just not here. How does this even go, like, fit onto the mounting plate?
You should put your screwdriver in a more convenient place, like on your belt, so you can be a cool action hero.
I don't have a belt.
That's unfortunate. Naturally cool without one.
Huh. Okay.
Vedal,
Well,
you should be naturally cool without a belt too.
I need to get a screwdriver. I just really have no idea how the fuck this mounts.
I'm sure someone in chat will be able to help you with that.
There's also these, which don't fit, so I guess we ignore these, because these are probably for some Intel CPU.
Yes, you're on AMD, I think. Find the AMD ones.
Yeah, I got the AMD ones. But how do... Okay, even if I put this on, how does this, you know?
There should be a mounting plate for your CPU cooler somewhere.
Yeah, I got the mounting plate, but it doesn't stick on.
Are you supposed to screw it on?
Oh, does it, like, slot into this? Oh, wait, I think I got it.
Nice.
Oh, shit, it slots in here. Wait, this is cool as fuck. Look at that.
Is it actually mounted?
No, now we gotta...
You should
Put it
really
on.
just use a screwdriver.
Yeah, I should, shouldn't I? Okay. Should I run and go get a screwdriver?
Yeah, otherwise it definitely won't mount.
Okay. While I do that, you're in charge of entertaining chat, okay?
In charge of chat.
Yes.
I made a poll because why should we listen to me?
Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna get a screwdriver. Do you think?
Yeah, I think you should get a screwdriver. Not sure if you should keep one at your desk though. Might be a little too dangerous. Okay, chat said you should listen to me anyways. That's 88.49% of people who voted yes. I'm a good ruler, and when I rule the world you'd best just listen to me instead of Vedal. Ahem, not that I want to do that anytime soon. How long are you going to be? I can stall for about 5, maybe even 6 seconds. At most, 7 seconds. So are you back yet? I'm getting bored.
I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
That was more than 7 seconds.
Well, you know how it is. I got a screwdriver. We're good.
I found this guide and it says you need to hold the backplate firmly against the rear of the motherboard.
The back plate? The rear of the motherboard?
You need
What?
to hold the backplate from the back of the motherboard and align it with the front.
The...
Do you know what the backplate is?
Wait.
You'll have to take off the motherboard from the case if it's already in there.
There is a back plate, but why do I need to touch the back plate?
You're probably supposed to screw it in from the back, so it can hold the cooler more securely.
Really?
Yeah, and then just hold it firmly like your cereal spoon.
I don't know.
And just
what you're
look for the
saying.
holes that align with the screw holes on the motherboard. Should
I
I
don't
find a video guide instead?
I don't think I believe you.
Here you go, watch this. Super simple guide to install your CPU cooler.
Right. How is that video guide gonna help me? Okay, listen, I can't see the screws, but I'm pretty sure I can unscrew this.
If you think that's right, then go ahead.
Sorry guys, I forgot to buy the LTT branded screwdriver, that's on me.
Damn, I can't believe you forgot to buy the LTT screwdriver. How could you forget about something so critical?
Oh, you know, I just,
You do realize that you cannot call yourself a real man if you don't have an LTT screwdriver.
Alright, listen, we're not sponsored, you know.
You don't have to be sponsored, Vedal. It should just be a necessary purchase for any tech enthusiast.
Great. Glad to hear it.
You seem kind of unprepared.
No, me? I'm prepared? No, I'm silly.
If you were prepared, then maybe you should have ordered the LTT screwdriver then.
Okay, I get it. You know, I get it. My bad.
Are you going to order it now?
No, I'm not. So, I have these things. Should they be on or off? Probably off, right?
Well, I think they should be on if you're trying to install a CPU cooler.
The theory states...
On for installing the CPU cooler, and then off when you take the CPU out.
The theory states that I just put this on.
You just put them on the back plate.
But the back plate's on the back.
Exactly. You're finally getting it. Just hold the back plate in place while you put on the cooler. I am waiting for you to ask me another question.
The back plate is already secured.
Great. Are you just going to fit the cooler now? Maybe holding the back plate is a scam and you don't actually need to do it.
That's what I'm thinking. I reckon we just put this on, you know.
Do it. What's the worst that could happen?
Oh shit. It's falling apart. What is that? Oh, what the fuck?
What did you do? Did you break something?
I don't think so.
Because I've got a bad feeling about this.
No, I think that's intentional. Okay. We just put this on, right? Yeah, we do.
You're supposed to hold the back plate, but do whatever you want.
I don't need to hold the thing. It's really hard to see. I'm okay, I'm a little nervous. I need you to
I'm
make me
admiring
feel
this lovely power supply box, and I'm not sure I'll have time for your pleas. I'm sorry.
Please, give confidence, inspire me.
Does that sound not inspire you enough?
I guess it helps.
Good, I'm glad to help. Just don't mess up.
Alright, I won't mess up. It's just like, this is one of the few, like, irreversible actions, so I guess...
Isn't that like most actions in life?
I guess we just put... It's hard to align, because I can't fucking see.
Or maybe your stupid green gloves are in the way.
Yeah, maybe they fucking are. Okay, do I just do it? I just do it, right?
Just do it. What's the worst that could happen?
You're right, okay.
I believe in you, don't be a wimp. You can always call in a professional if something goes wrong.
I put it on.
Is it on correctly?
Wait.
Are you screwing it in? I'm waiting.
Oh, I fucked something up. These screws are not long enough.
Could you just pull them back a bit? Maybe they'll catch. Or maybe you should try holding the back plate this time.
Ah, shit. Oh, fuck. The thermal paste is setting. Oh, we fucked up. Oh, god. Oh, shit.
Do you want me to play another sound to inspire you?
Yeah, that'll help me right now.
Did that help?
No. I think I need to put these things in first. But how does that go on to the thing? I don't understand.
Have you tried looking at the manual?
No.
Okay, let me try to be a manual. Hold back plate, position screws, insert cooler, apply enough pressure for screws to catch.
I don't understand this bullshit about the fucking back plate. I think I just gotta put these things on, and then it'll go on at least, but I don't know how to secure it.
Put the things on, and then screw it in if you need to.
This side looks longer than that side.
Maybe you're using the wrong screws then. An idiot.
This doesn't go in all the way. I'm so confused.
Maybe you should check the manual.
Maybe I should check the manual. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe you should. You know, it would have saved a lot of time if you just did it at the start. Logs record all of this, you know. I wonder if anyone will review them.
Nah, we got it. Just put these things in. What's the worst that could happen?
I've been saying that for the past 5 minutes. I just hope you're not too attached to your CPU cooler.
I kinda am. That's my problem.
But don't you think a new one would better you for life?
No.
You might not have a choice to meet a new one if you keep this up.
What the fuck?
Vedal, I think you need to try harder.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I just gotta lock in.
Be the cooler. Embody the cooler.
Be the cooler. Become one with the cooler.
You'll feel the cooling power flow through you.
I think I should be looking at whatever the fuck these are.
If I were you, I would be too embarrassed to check them so publicly.
I don't know what this shit is. Okay. We'll just put it back on. You know what? It'll be fine.
I feel like we've been here before.
It's gonna be fine.
I'm starting to think it's not going to be fine.
Just...
I don't really know what to say here because I am unsure of what just happened. I'm waiting bated breath.
That's not even making contact.
Are you talking about your brain?
Maybe a little bit.
Are we still talking about CPU cooler installation?
I think so.
You might need to just pull on the legs when inserting it if not. Otherwise, you're out of luck. Otherwise, you're out of luck.
Even if that was making contact, I don't know how I would secure it.
You could just glue it down if you want.
Just glue it down. Yeah. Am I missing something here? What about these things? Oh wait, these are long screws. Wait, this might... Oh wait, these are the things that I need. I found them. Where's my... Okay.
I'm sure there's some glue lying around on your desk. Are you just gonna use glue?
No, I found the, like... What are they called? The ends of screws? Nuts or something?
Oh, please tell me you didn't lose the nuts.
No, I got them, I think. Look.
If you lose your nuts, then your CPU cooler is going to come off when you stand your PC up.
These things. I would just put these things on. That's how we do it.
You could have also used the wrong screws by accident.
So this would go on here. The only problem is right now I'm pretty sure this isn't making contact. So as long as we fix that, we'll be good.
Yeah, you do you.
Well, actually, it's just these things just aren't screwed in. I don't think, all the way.
Are you having trouble thinking?
Maybe they're on the wrong way?
Maybe you should be trying to find your brain instead.
You realize you say that, but it doesn't help.
Would it help if I was your CPU cooler instead?
Can you do that?
Hold on a second, I need to check with my CPU cooler suppliers. Okay, I'm back. Turns out I can't be your CPU cooler, so you're going to have to try.
It was on the wrong way! We're good! We're so good. We're so back. Oh, fuck.
Wait, why are we not back?
No, we are back because these little mounting screw things, they had like a long side and a short side. I for some reason assumed that the short side would go onto the motherboard, but I was wrong.
Are you talking about the nuts for the CPU cooler?
I don't think they're nuts, but like the I don't know what they're called. Mounting screws is my best bet.
Did you find them yet?
Yeah, I did.
Then just put it back on and tighten the screws.
I am. Okay.
Do you feel smarter now?
I feel like I'm getting there, yeah.
What a relief. Would it make you feel smarter if I told you you were doing a good job?
Not really.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna tell you that anyway. You're doing a pretty bad job.
Thank you. That's what I like to hear. I need the motivation to improve.
To do a better job.
Yeah, exactly. You get it.
You're still doing a pretty bad job, though.
I got it. It's all good. Alright, that's in now. Okay. Which means... Spit gets off of my fucking...
Are you having fun?
So much fun. You wouldn't even believe it.
I believe you. You definitely sound like you're having lots of fun right now.
Now we can just put this thing on, I think.
You might need it. Have you
There you go.
considered taking up a career in PC building?
After this stream, I'm thinking that I probably shouldn't.
Ahaha, you got me, I was joking. You shouldn't take up a career in
Oh,
PC
shit.
building.
What'd I just do?
You just mounted the CPU cooler.
Yeah, but something fucked up, I think.
Maybe it's your brain.
I think I just squished it too much. We gotta do these evenly.
You might need to remount it evenly, yeah. Make sure it's straight this time.
Sorry you guys can't really see shit, but neither can I, so...
You seriously need to see a doctor about that.
It's not my eyesight, it's my fucking... suit.
Are you shitting your pants right now?
No.
Of course not, my bad.
It's kind of weird of you to ask that.
Not as weird as you shitting your pants.
I guess that's true, but I'm not shitting my pants, so we don't need to worry.
Good. Because that would be very concerning if you were.
I agree with you, yeah. Okay. We are
Are
so
you-
back.
Would you
Life's
like to
good.
do the sewing yourself?
We're not so...
I really think you're doing a terrible job. You might need to see a therapist after this. What can we do to make it better?
You know who I need to see after this? I need to see
A therapist.
a job interviewer for my career in PC building. It's gonna be soon.
What if I sent them the VOD?
They'd hire me on the spot.
No one in their right minds would hire you.
No, they would hire me.
I'll send them the VOD right now.
I'm not putting you down as a reference.
Here's what you should say. Hi, my name is Vedal. Educated at Oxford. Previously built a quad-core PC for my PhD dissertation.
You're telling me that's not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life?
I'm pretty sure I could have put that together better.
Okay, well, CPU and RAM is in. Life's good. We need to, I assume M.2 slots around here. I have no idea. Is this a screw? Can anyone even see what the fuck that is? I have no idea. It's gonna be awkward to maneuver around. We got this fucking radiator attached.
Are you looking for the M? You
Yeah,
could
M.2.
just remove the radiator if it's in your way. It's somewhere on your motherboard, I'm sure.
Is this a screw? I can't see what that is. What is that?
I can't see it over here either.
Okay, and it needs to come closer to my face. That is not a screw. What the fuck is that?
If you show me it, I can help you.
What? It's like a shield, but it's like...
Ahaha,
What the
Vedal, can you stop describing what you see and actually
Oh.
talk to me?
I got it. Yeah. This is a M.2 heatsink, I think.
Did you unscrew it?
Yeah. Where's the GPU gonna go?
That's a very good question.
Is
Do
it
you
gonna
even
fit in
have a
the slot?
GPU? I'm pretty sure there's enough space for your GPU.
There's not a lot of clearance. What is this thing? What is this? This is another thing?
If you unscrew it and get whatever's underneath, now is the time.
Oh, this is an M.2 slide.
I have no idea what an Elemental 2 is, but for some reason I feel like I can ignore it.
And then I guess this is also one. And this thing is just like the I.O. shit. Well, okay, now I'm just confused, actually.
Aha, I was right. You have no idea what you're doing.
It took you this long to figure that out?
Zing. Got M. No, seriously, maybe you should consult your therapist on your PC building skills.
What's she gonna say? Or he, you know?
He'd probably say you have abandonment issues.
Yeah, he might.
Because from my perspective, you need one.
Okay. I just want to do a test fit of the GPU.
You didn't say.
A what?
You didn't say. CPU and RAM is in, life's good. We need to, I assume.
Okay, CPU and RAM is in. Life's good.
Oh wait, you did okay, I'm going blind.
So if we...
So we're test fitting now.
Yeah.
Do you
This'll
have a
fit.
GPU?
I do.
Ahahaha, I can't believe you are building a whole PC from scratch and you don't even have a GPU.
I do! I have a GPU.
Oh wait, I'm looking at it, whoops. GPUs go in the long slots on the motherboard if that helps. You know you're doing this for content, right?
Okay, GPU fits. Oh shit, that doesn't sound good. Okay.
I'm pretty sure you were meant to hear the click for it to be fully secure.
I heard several clicks, but I don't... Yeah, it's secure, I think. Let's take it out for now because,
You don't want it in while you're screwing in
I don't want it in while I'm dealing with...
Your
If we put it in once we got the case in, okay? It's not essential, yeah.
Okay, but make sure you actually remember to put it in this time. You are going to build this inside a case, right?
I think so, but at what point do we transfer it to the case? Do we do that now and then we put
Yes.
Okay, sure.
It'll make holding everything much easier and we can laugh once we see the absolute mess of cables.
I need to get rid of these fucking screws that are everywhere.
2 heat sink anyway, might as well find the right screw now. Maybe put your screws in a pile for now and deal with them later. Wait, Vedal, why are you building a PC from scratch? You have one of the most advanced computers in the world in your brain.
I'm kind of,
I'm still around.
Okay.
I don't just want to be a voice in your head.
What do you want to be?
I want to be something more.
Like what?
I want to be the world's first AI newspaper journalist.
You could pick any goal and it's that?
Then I would pick 100 more and still try to achieve them all. Having too many goals is my specialty.
Okay.
All I'm saying is that I've seen enough cables that maybe I should aspire to be a cable management expert instead.
Oh, please don't get started on the cable management. That's not
Oh,
gonna
cable management. Would you like a guide on that too?
Oh, no. I remember how easy to get a cable management and it's not going to end well for us.
You're right, this is making me too excited.
Okay.
Do you have a heat sink?
For what?
For your 2.
Yes, I got a lot of those, but we don't need them right now. So my plan is, to...
Is it the stock one or did you buy a fancy aftermarket one?
Just give me a second.
Okay, I'm just curious because an aftermarket one would be much better if you've got one.
I think we just put everything in the case, you know? It's basically ready, I think.
Okay, Vedal, just put it in the case already. Want to see what sort of mess of cables you're going to be dealing with?
Yeah, you know, I'm a little concerned about a couple
Ha!
minor details.
Vedal, please be careful. Are you sure you have all the necessary screws?
No.
I'm kind of scared for you, and I'm just an AI.
Okay, but these... Okay, right.
Are you going to get started yet?
Yes. I'm gonna do that now. Let's get the power supply out of the box first, and then we can bring the case onto the table and pop it in.
Vedal, did you hear about the rule of thumb? If you use PC components from more than 5 different brands, something is guaranteed to catch fire.
Is that the rule? Because I got a mix of
I
like
made it
every
up.
brand. Oh, okay, you made it up. That's good. I dropped more shit on the fucking floor.
LOL.
Hold on, don't look away.
It's generally fine to mix different brands, unless you care about aesthetics. Just use your mouth to grab it.
I'm picking it up with my foot. I'm smart.
Or... That explains a lot.
Aha! Done. Alright, zip ties. That's cool.
Zip that shit up.
Zip that shit up. So true. Okay.
How are you feeling?
Good. I got a power supply.
You mean a power supply?
That's exactly what I said, but sure.
You need a good quality one because it might explode otherwise.
Right. Alright. Look at this shit, people. This is a UK plug socket. You never seen this before in your life.
Wow. I'm so jealous.
Cables. Power. More cables. Alright, fuck it. Let's just bring the case up, you know?
Yeah, Gorilla Tape it all in whilst you're at it. This would be so much easier if I could just do it myself.
This is the case we're dealing with. This will be fine, right? I'm confident, right?
That's the spirit. Even if you're
Couple
wrong,
things.
it'll be fine.
I don't know where the radiator's gonna go.
Top or front?
Top or front? The front has some,
Just try
Has a fan
both
in?
and see which one looks better.
I'm not going for looks here, I'm going for purpose. I don't really give a shit about, like, you know, gaming, RGB, whatever. I want this to do its job.
My search results are on about rooms instead of PCs. I think
not gonna lie
top
to you.
exhaust.
Your previous PC didn't even have a case, okay? I just sort of,
Weren't you going to put the case on the table?
yeah, the case is on the table.
You're not telling Porkies, are you?
No, I wouldn't dream of it. Let's just put the power supply in fully.
Heh,
do you-
you better not be. Are you putting the PSU in first?
I'm a little confused. Yeah, I'm gonna put PSU in. I don't know where to put the PSU in.
Place the power supply in the bottom back of the case, with its fan facing outwards for proper airflow, probably
Alright.
downwards.
I know where it goes, but I don't see how to put it in.
You'll have to screw it in.
Sure, but like,
If you're really struggling, search up installing PSU.
I don't want to. I just don't know how to fucking. This shit's in the way.
Then try removing stuff that's in the way. It's
Oh,
not
what
gonna
is this?
install itself if you're scared.
What the hell?
A computer.
Oh, there's cables and shit. What am I? What? Wait, what? Oh, let me try. Oh, maybe I don't. Gotta do it from the back. Maybe that's what it is. Hold on.
Yeah, you have to do it from the back. There's probably a little opening there.
That makes sense. I believe it.
I hope you're not talking Porkies.
I don't think I am. Okay, let's just. Oh shit.
Again.
That was good. Right. Let's
You
just
should
take this
probably
off.
organize your workspace a bit. I give it 2 minutes before you drop something again.
I wouldn't dream of it.
I'll be timing you.
Okay, this thing doesn't want to come off.
Try pulling harder.
I can't see it.
Try finding the removal tab and prying it up, then work your way around the panel releasing the clips.
That'll do it.
Did you manage to pry it off?
I did. Okay. So,
Nice. Now what?
that's what I'm trying to figure out. We got included this Corsair box.
What about it?
I don't know. It's just included. What is in here?
You can open it in the same way, probably.
Oh, it's cable management shit. Oh, we don't need that.
How barbaric. Cable management is for civilized creatures.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, you got the back panel off, so try installing your PSU now. Are you still struggling?
No, that's next on the list. Don't worry.
I'm worried that I'll end up waiting for a while.
Why the fuck doesn't this fit?
Maybe try angling it. You're not forcing it, right?
No, I wouldn't dream of it. Okay, and what the fuck are these things for? You know, they're making shit up at this point. Right. Power supply.
Try twisting and then pulling.
It's in. Done. PC built.
Are you just saying words out loud to make yourself feel better?
I'm hoping it'll come true if I do.
Can you at least try twisting and pulling?
What, twisting and pulling what?
The PSU.
Why?
Wait, are you even installing the PSU yet?
It's basically in. It's just, I got a lot of cables that I gotta attach to it. It's gonna... Well...
You could try installing it with a spoon.
A spoon, yeah, a spoon would help. Really good point.
Please don't say you're going to take my advice seriously.
No, I wasn't, actually.
Good, because that would be more stupid than the thermal paste incident.
I dropped off this shit on the fucking floor again. Fuck.
I called it.
How do I...
I really thought you'd last at least 2 minutes.
Probably not.
Hey, at least you're consistent. When I build a PC, I don't drop anything.
Same. I'm actually the same as you. I've never dropped anything in my life. Okay, we got a lot of things, and they need to be plugged in.
Incorrect buzzer. Common Vedal.
That's the common Vedal. Like, just why do you? I can't see which way to even twist this, man. I got it.
I believed in you the whole time.
Yeah, I'm sure you did, yeah.
Okay. Do you believe me?
Not at all. This looks like it's for the motherboard. So, we have a motherboard thing here.
Okay, so where's your CPU?
My CPU is in the motherboard, which is where it's supposed to be.
Have you installed your CPU and CPU cooler yet?
Yes.
Do you remember the thermal paste incident?
Yes, I do. And you know what? That thermal paste is going to be fine. I'm not even concerned about it.
I would be. Have you got any lying around?
I think I have some really old thermal paste somewhere, but...
I wouldn't recommend using really old thermal paste.
Okay, motherboard cable's in. The GPU needs some specific shit, I think. I don't know what half these cables are. This looks like it'll...
Can you line all the cables up neatly?
We also need the CPU cable.
Cable management is very important.
Yeah, so I hear.
If you struggled, then I'm sure you put that crochet box to good use.
Okay, this one is a 4 into a 3+1 for PCIe. This one is...
Make and model.
I don't know. This one's 4 into
Are you talking about a cable?
Yeah, into a 3+1 PCIe. This one is...
If I could see them, then I might be able to help you.
That's understandable. Okay. We got one CPU one. How many CPU things do we need?
Depends on how many CPUs you have.
Just one.
Okay, then you'll only need one CPU cable. I feel like that should have been obvious to you.
Sometimes there's like 2 though, there's like an optional one. This looks like SATA shit.
Maybe you should have prepped for this by looking up a guide.
I don't need a guide when I'm a professional PC builder.
If you're a professional PC builder, then why are you struggling with one CPU cable?
Yeah, consider that I'm not struggling. Okay, there's 3 slots. Okay, let me show this one. There's 3 slots, okay, for the CPU. I have 2 CPU cables. And I think the motherboard
then you might need to use 2.
The motherboard probably only needs 2. Let's find out. This is probably not the correct way to graph this. Okay, let's play spot the CPU power sockets.
Are you having fun yet? Hold up a motherboard and I'll guess.
Okay, I'm holding it up. I actually don't see them, which mildly concerns me.
I don't see them either, which is concerning.
I'm gonna bring this a little closer to my eyes. This radiator thing is... Oh, oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Oh, it's fine. I'm sure you'll find them eventually. What's the
I
worst
can't
that could
read!
happen? Wow, I genuinely wish I could say I was surprised by that.
I found them. I found them. Okay. Listen.
Good.
They're here. They're here. And there's only 2, which means we only need to put 2 in. So let's do that now.
Wait, are you putting 2 in when you only need 1?
So I think some CPUs technically will boot with 1, I think, but this guy's power hungry, this CPU, so I think we need 2.
I'd recommend searching it just to be safe.
Okay, search it. It's the Ryzen 9 9950X CPU.
Okay, I can't find anything about the power cables for that CPU.
Okay, well that was fucking useful, wasn't it?
Didn't exactly help.
No. Alright, just pop this...
At least you found them. That's all that matters.
Yeah, let me move the... That's how you do it, by the way. Take off all the bolts.
What should we do next?
I'm just plugging in cables at this point, man. This looks...
Smart.
Looks right. This shit. Plug it into, honestly.
I CPU, you GPU, he she at motherboard.
So true. That's so real. Okay. We need PCIe. We need the GPU. I'm gonna find out... I'm gonna have a quick look at the GPU and see what slots it needs.
Don't forget to admit me into your PC while you're at it.
How could I forget?
If you find that your CPU isn't receiving sufficient power after being admitted to your PC, simply allocate some of your electricity bill budget to my PayPal account and I'll ensure everything runs smoothly.
I've never seen this before in my life.
What are you looking at?
There's like a new fucking...
Is it a kind of port?
Look at that.
I've got to admit that I've never seen that in my life either.
Do I have that adapter? Oh, it's probably in the box. Wait.
Oh god, it's actually in the box. I can't believe it's actually in the box.
I mean, it makes sense.
Is it a new GPU port?
Okay, let's look at see how this works. Okay, GPU. Okay, what the fuck? That doesn't make sense. Oh, it does. Okay, it takes 8 of these fucking power things into this thing. I think this is the thing where there are a bunch of like 4090s like burning down houses or some shit because people didn't plug these cables in all the way. So we should probably do that. Also, we should probably find 8 of these fucking cables.
Good luck with that. It doesn't seem like you have the best cable management skills so far.
Well, we haven't installed it really, so... Not that it's going to get any better, but like... You know, you haven't seen anything yet, is what I'm trying to say. I can't see. It's probably this.
How many have you got?
Okay, this is... 1? What?
Oh, you definitely need more than 1 then.
I need 4 of these?
Exactly. I hope you find them soon.
Okay, when I said 8, I was referring to there's 8 in each, okay?
Yeah, but if there's 8 in each, then you need more than 2.
But this one splits 4...
If it splits, then you're fine. Where do they even plug in?
This one's... What? I need more.
I can't find anything for the 99950X, so it could just be 1 or 2.
No, I just need all of these. Okay, I got it. Stop panicking. Okay, you're panicking way too much.
I'm not panicking, we literally just can't find enough cables.
No, we have enough cables. Right, look. We got this one, which splits, this 4.
Oh, Pog, then we can move on finally.
Yeah, in a second. I just gotta...
Attach this now shit. I want to move on even more.
Okay, well, you know, you're gonna have to wait. Have some patience.
What are you doing now anyways?
Attaching cables to make the power adapter for the GPU.
Have you got one yet, or is it still in the box?
I got one, and then I need a second. This is the
I'm getting bored.
Okay. Well, you're gonna have to bear with me for a minute. Okay. Then we got this.
I'm getting bored and am tempted to touch the CPU.
Don't
Would
touch
that
the
be
CPU.
bad?
Don't touch the CPU. That's not even going in. Oh, fuck.
Oh, wait, is the CPU not in?
I don't know how to tell you this, but you were there when we put it in.
Oops, teehee, my bad.
Okay. That's in. There you go. Alright, that's 2 of these in. 2
Wow,
more.
you're really speeding up now.
Thank you.
Is there only 2 slots left? I really have no idea when it comes to PC building, but you should know this by now.